Everyone's talking about
voice AI,
voice assistants,
AI voice calling
can replace me.
Voice AI technology that is really just getting started.
there are going to be billions of different AI agents.
They are a very important part of bringing this forward.
Context-aware voice agents.
Voice API.
voice API
Voice assistant.
Voice API.
iAssist. We're talking about the latest personal assistant AI-powered application to join the App Store. Now, iAssist isn't just a regular AI assistant. We're talking about a voice-powered AI assistant that allows users to create journal entries, manage tasks, create calendar events, and a whole array of other things. Here, we have a simple dashboard that'll allow you to access different parts of the application. We also have a side panel, which also acts as a menu. If we click on the assistant button, then we can watch the magic happen. As I click on Call Assistant, I can now see.
Would you like me to help with anything specific?
Yes, I'm actually creating a video to show off what iAssist can do. We're talking about a voice-powered AI assistant. Can you explain how can I go about this?
To create a compelling video showcasing what iAssist can do, here's a step-by-step approach. Outline key features. Highlight the main functionalities of iAssist, such as managing calendar events, creating journal entries, updating tasks, and setting goals. Demonstrate voice interaction. Show how users can interact with iAssist using voice commands. This will demonstrate the hands-free convenience. Show real-life scenarios. Create examples like scheduling a meeting, setting a reminder, or organizing tasks to illustrate how iAssist can improve productivity. 4. Emphasize convenience. Show how the assistant can help save time and streamline daily tasks. 5. Include testimonials. If possible, add user feedback or testimonials to build trust and credibility. Would you like to discuss any of these steps in more detail?
That was awesome. Can you go ahead and create a journal entry for me so that I can know exactly what you just told me?
A journal entry has been created summarizing your tasks. Would you like me to start scheduling these tasks for you now?
Yeah, go ahead and schedule each of those tasks in my Kanban.
It looks like there are no existing tasks in your Kanban at the moment. Would you like to create new Kanban tasks based on the video creation steps?
Absolutely. Go ahead and create those tasks.
All the tasks for your video project have been created in your Kanban. If you need further assistance or want to update any task, just let me know.
Amazing. Now, I want you to go ahead and create a goal for me to edit a video that showcases everything that iAssist can do.
Your goal to edit a video showcasing everything that iAssist can do has been successfully created. If you need any more help with this goal or anything else, please let me know.
That is amazing. Now, I want to go ahead and schedule a calendar event for today at 8 p.m. so that I can go ahead and upload the video that I put together.
Your calendar event titled Upload Video has been successfully scheduled for today at 8 p.m. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.
Thanks so much. You've been so much of a help today.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Is there anything that you'd like to tell your viewers before I go ahead and put this video together?
Absolutely. I'd like to remind everyone that iAssist is here to make your life easier and help you stay organized and efficient. Don't hesitate to explore all the features and discover new ways to enhance your productivity. Have fun creating your video, and remember that I'm here to support you every step of the way.
Amazing. Well, there you have it, folks. That is iAssist. And guess what? It is my favorite price, free, on the App Store. Check it out.
Voice API.